Hello, my name is Eric Goh. I'm one of the co-founders of Motor Advantage. We are a specialized boutique workshops targeting Jaguar, Land Rover, Porsche and Volvo. We started 3 years ago, and when we first started, we started from ground zero. So we tried to keep costs low. So we started only with a MYOB accounting software program without a full dealer management systems. The operational system is actually a very manual systems. So at that point of time, we are actually unable to capture our customer profile or the service history. Actually, along the way where we try to establish our business, we also have been trying to source for an integrated system, meaning that from the customer profiling all the way to the accounting system, which are all integrated. We sourced the market. It was quite fortunate that we found Fleetnetics. And since using the systems, it have really improved our efficiency, and it's also a good way to manage our customers. The beautiful part of Fleetnetics is that it's flexible, and also it supports mobile devices. So instead of the traditional stuff where the customer had to come to the desk and we key in the customer profile or key into the jobs, right now it's very mobile in the sense that we can use the mobile devices, a tablet or phone, to attend to the customers. I have personally recommended a few of my associates. 1 or 2 of them have actually a customer of Fixnetics. Yeah. It's a very good tools, especially in this modern world where you want to integrate all the operations from the front to the back end of it. So that's why I think I recommend my associate to use the systems.